this phone mount right here can attach your windshield, your dash, and your air vent. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you got a lot of stuff in here. You got some cleaning wipes, the user manual right there. Boom. You got this piece right here. Boom. This piece right here. Gosh, it feels nice and it will not damage your phone. Open it up. Oh, that's so smooth. That is super smooth. Wow, that's a solid mount right there. We got the disc right here with 3M adhesive. You can attach this to your dash, and then you can attach this onto this if you don't have a smooth dash. Otherwise, you can attach this directly to your dash or this onto the windshield. Boom! This one right here is your updated air vent clip. Ooh, solid. When you close this one down, this one will hold onto your air vent and friction right here that will attach onto your air vent as additional points so that you have really good grip onto your air vent. Okay, sweet. All right, so you have two options. You can either use this one or you can use this one. Both of them have the ball bearing. So this one right here, you have flexibility to go all around this direction. You also have flexibility for in and out. And then this one you can attach on here, or you can attach your windshield directly like that onto your windshield. And then these will attach onto here. So let me show you guys how that works. So right here, this one will attach on, and then this goes on like this. Tighten this up and you have a solid mount right here. This one right here is solid. Lock this up too. So this one goes in and out, and then based on this you can loosen it up, and you have this mount right here. You can attach to your dash, you can attach to your windshield, and you can switch it to your air vent too. If you want the air vent, this one will be the air vent option. So if you want to, take this end out, attach this, and then push this in, and now you can use this for your air vent. You can tighten this up, you can still rotate it, or you can tighten it even more so it's very stiff. And there we go, this one attaches to your air vent. You can adjust this to open up and then close in to tighten on your air vent. And then you have extra frictions over here. Sweet! And of course, this is one touch. Push that, it opens up. Very smooth, right? And then you put your phone in, and all you do is squeeze here and it holds it steady. And you have a place for your cable to charge. And then when you want to take out the phone, all you gotta do is push this button right here. Boom, one touch operation, and you can take out your phone. Sweet! And put it in, boom, take out, boom. Easy, 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 easy. Very quick, very easy, and you can charge at the same time. Right here, this is for your air vent. And if you want to, again, one last time, I'll show you. You can change it to this other one right here. Last one right here, put this on and tighten it up. Boom, right here you have this option. You can adjust your phone however you like, and then you have this in and out, and then you have this up and down too, right? You can find the perfect orientation that you want, and then you lock it and it's solid. You have your phone right there, and of course this one right here can attach your windshield, or you can attach your dash, or you can even attach this one to your dash, and this one can attach onto it like that. So super awesome. This is the Falala dress phone mount right here. This is an awesome phone mount. It's simple, it's easy, and you have a lot of flexibility to mount however you like with the 3M adhesive down here too. It's good stuff right here. Oh yeah.